Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to block text message on iPhone. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you're looking for how to block someone in receiving text message in your iPhone, or how to make not receiving any notification, or how to set a unknown sender let a one filter or known sender let a one folder, etc. So in this case, first of all, I will share with you how you can block someone receiving text message. So for that, let me open my messages apps, and then let me open this software or this text message. You can see this is a sour company. This is a local carrier company which is always sending me a different offer, which is make me very annoying, and I decide to make like hide alert. So for that, you have to click this profile icon. After that, you're going to find here some options say hide alert. That means if this person is sending me new SMS, I will not receive any notification, which is pretty quite good. So for me, I no need to check all these unwanted SMS every time opening their SMS. Also, if you decide to block this person permanently, you can click this info button, and then you're going to find here something say block this caller. If you click here block this caller, that if you click again block contact, that means if this person sending any SMS, nothing, you from now you will not receive any SMS. But I'm not going to block this contact. I will just choose the hide alert, which is more useful, and then let me click here done. So this is the one way how you can block any contact if you decide to block not receiving any SMS. Also, there is another way make filter out in your iPhone. So for that, go in your iPhone settings section, scroll down, and then you're going to find here messages. Open the messages app and scroll down, and then you're going to find here something say filter unknown sender. Just simply turn this on, and then for what it does means, it means if you make unknown sender, so if any person you don't know and he's not save his number in your contact, his message will be go in unknown sender folder. So let me go open in my text messages, and now if I swipe left to right, we'll see there is a three different folder. One is known sender, one is unknown sender, or unread messages, or all messages. So if I click unknown sender, that means if the person I don't know, all the messages will going to become in here in this folder, and you can easily replay, because you might be have this number with some business or etc. So you can follow up with this unknown folder section. So in this simple way, you can easily block text messages on iPhone. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.